The question says, from the picture below, find out the weight of 3 sweet boxes. So the picture has got a balance. On the right side, we have got standard weights of 1 kg and 500 gram, and on the left hand side pan we have got one sweet box. This is the sweet box and a standard weight of 200 gram. So we can see that this sweet box, the weight, suppose the weight of sweet box is W, and plus 200 gram is balancing, or therefore it is equal to, because the balance is balanced, that means none of the sides are inclined, and hence we can say that W plus 200 gram equal to 1 kg plus 500 gram. This 1 kg 500 gram, as you know, can be written as 1000 gram, as because 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram plus 500 gram, which in turn is equal to 1500. Here you may check 1000 plus 500. You should be able to carry out such additions very quickly if you want to really excel in Olympiads. So this is 1500 gram, and this is weight plus 200 gram equal to 1500 gram. So let me write down this equations clearly. From the balance we can say that weight W plus W represents the weight of sweet box. 200 gram equals 1500 grams. Weight will be equal to then 1500 plus 200 gram added with sweet box will give you 500 gram. So what we can do, we can subtract this 200 gram from 1500 to arrive at the weight of sweet box. So after this, we solve it over here. Weight will be equal to 1500 minus 200 will be equal to, let us carry out this subtraction, minus 200 is equal to 0, 0, 5 minus 2 is 3, 1300. So weight of sweet box will be equal to 1300 gram. So gram can be written as GM or G, doesn't matter. 1300 gram, weight of sweet box is 1300 grams. So please don't get confused over here how we have carried out this calculation. As you can see, weight plus 200 gram equal to 1500 gram. So we need to find out the value of weight. So we have shifted this 200 to the other side, and hence this plus 200 will become minus 200. This is how you can think, or you may also think subtracting 200 on both the sides. So this is an equation. We have to solve it to arrive at the weight of the sweet box. You should be able to this particular calculation to arrive at the weight of sweet box is 1300 gram, and hence weight of three sweet boxes will be equal to 3 into W, weight of one sweet box, W, weight of another sweet box, W, another sweet box. So 1300 plus 1300 plus 1300, or you can write 3 times 1300. You multiply 1300 by 3 zeros are 0. Hope you know how to carry out multiplications. 3 zeros 0, 3 9, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are. So it's equal to 3900 G, 3900 gram, because this is in G, that is gram. That is the answer. 1300 gram. No, this is not the answer, because this is the weight of one sweet box. 1 kg 300 gram. No, this is not the answer. So here 3900 gram can also be expressed in kg and grams. Let me do that for you. You can write down this 3900 gram as 3900 gram can be written as 3000 kg, 3000 gram plus 900 gram. You can see 3900 can be written as 3000 plus 900. So this can be written as 3000 gram is equal to 3 kg. 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. Therefore 3 kg will be equal to 3 times 1000, which is equal to 3000 gram. So what we have done, we have expressed this 3000 grams in terms of kg, the unit kg, therefore 3 kg 900 gram. So this 3900 gram can also be written as 3 kg 900 gram. So now let's check the answer. So both these options, if they are there in the both these figures, 3900 gram or 3 kg 900 gram are correct. If they are there in the options, let's check it out. Option A 1300 gram, no. B 1 kg 300 gram, let's check. No, this is also the wrong answer. Option C 3900 kg. Is it? No. Many of the students will tick this option. Why? Because they are only interested in figuring out the figure, which is 3900, but you have to pay attention to unit also. So unit is gram, but here you see the unit is kg. So don't rush to the answer. Try to think, try to take care of the units also while answering questions. So 3900 kg, 3900 gram is the right answer. So this is also not our right option. Check option D. It's 3 kg 900 gram. It's 3 kg 900 gram. So option D is 3 kg 900 gram is our right answer. This option could also have been written as 3900 gram. Both these answers are correct. I hope you have understood where you have to take care while answering such questions so that you may not fall into such traps. These are called traps. 3900 kg into these traps of the paper setter. So be careful. If you have not understood, please rewind this video and check again. Thank you.